7 tips to create an online business around your lifestyle. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to build your business around your lifestyle and not the other way around. Online businesses are possibly the only ones that really guarantee a fulfilling and flexible lifestyle compared to other business types. Number 1. Have the end in mind. When creating your online business for maximum fulfillment, it is ideal to constantly visualize the end goal, whether it is an IPO or working 4 hours a week for the rest of your life. It is all too easy to get lost in the daily minutiae, but there are ways around this. Don't accept anything less than complete and utter freedom, and focus on it as often as you can. Number 2. Outsource. You won't be able to get where you need to go without using the power of intelligent outsourcing. Outsourcing can make your business run so much more smoothly if you let it. Entire projects can be 100% outsourced to cheaper regions with the help of reputable agencies. Number 3. Use freelancers. Every task you can think of can be completed with short-term freelance contracts. Freelancers are based in different time zones, so they can work on your project while you sleep in bed or relax on a beach. They are very important in helping you reach success. There is a growing mobile freelance workforce for all kinds of projects, from web development to digital marketing. Number 4. Automation. Automation is like outsourcing in that it is often a cheap way to get tasks and projects completed. And there is an automation tool for nearly everything: accounting, social media, email marketing, PPC campaign, payroll, taxation, etc. For true freedom, automation tools are necessary. Number 5. Delegate. While you are going to make heavy use of automation tools and outsourcing, it is important to have a few key personnel to rely on. Trust that others have the ability to run the business. Learning to delegate is an important skill that all new online owners need to learn. Number 6. Choose your business model carefully. Some models are easier to run and more profitable than others. You want a business that is automated for success, where you are not tied down all the time. Timeless business models around the concepts of health, wealth, and love will always have a high retail value. Number 7. Focus on what really matters. Small business owners do not have the time to manage every little detail of the company. They need to be very precise about what the business does and what the key metrics are. If you want to focus on every aspect of the company, then you won't have any time for yourself.